Hi everyone, welcome back. Students, today in this module, we will learn how fabrics are made from fibers. Let us learn about fabrics, how fabrics is made. Students, clothes come in whole range of colors and designs. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Now, how clothes are made? We call them clothes as fabric also. So, clothes are made up of fibers. Today in this module, we will learn that how cloth is made of fibers. First of all, let us see what people wore in ancient time. Students, primitive people did not know how to make clothes. They don't need to wear. They didn't need to wear the clothes because they lived in tropic regions and tropic regions were quite warm. But slowly, they started moving to colder parts of the globe. Then they felt the need to cover their bodies. And then they started wearing clothes. Now, what type of clothes they wear? They started wearing clothes made up of leaves. They started covering their bodies with barks. They started covering their bodies with animal skin. Slowly, they learned how to stitch the cloth. Now, let's see what is the revolution in cloth. First of all, people in India and Egypt made clothes from cotton, and Chinese people started silk clothes, wearing silk clothes, and they get silk from silkworms. And in very colder region, people covered themselves with robes which are made up of wool. Now let us see how cloth is made from fibers. See, students, the revolution in clothing came about 50,000 years ago when the needle was invented. Now, the invention of needle allowed people to cut and stitch a cloth to suit their body. And from here, the different designing and colors of cloth came into existence. Now, let's see how cloth is made. Cloth is made from fibers and it is mainly made in two steps. First is spinning and second is weaving. Now, let's see what is spinning. Fibers are very small in size. Before that, I have to explain fibers also. Students, fibers क्या होते हैं? छोटे छोटे धागे बोल देते हैं हम. तो fibers कहाँ से मिलते हैं? We get fibers from plants and animals. For example, from plants we get jute, cotton, flax. All these fibers we get from plants. And we also get fibers from animals also. For example, we get wool from sheep, wool from yak and other animals also. So in this way, first of all, we obtain fibers naturally. These are natural fibers, and we can also get the fiber artificially also. The fibers are also prepared in factories also. They are called artificial fibers. So first of all, we obtain the fibers. Maybe it is naturally, maybe it's synthetic. It is synthetic fiber. Now what happens? First of all, fibers are twisted together to form yarn. Just see in this picture. Here these fibers come in this form. For example, we can take the example of cotton. Cotton comes in this form. After this, just here cotton is twisted. Twisted means जैसे आपके मम्मा जोत बनाते हैं ना मंदिर में जाने के लिए, तो in the same way the fibers are twisted to form yarn. Even we can easily pull out a yarn from fabric. किसी भी fabric से कोई भी छोटा सा yarn निकालो, you can easily pull the yarn from fabric. It means that fabric is made up of many yarns and yarn is made up of fibers. तो फैब्रिक किससे बनता है? यार्न से. और यार्न किससे बन रहा है? यार्न हम किससे बनाते हैं? फाइबर से. Now let's explain it again. Now let us see how fibers are converted into fabric. Fiber से fabric कैसे बनता है? For that, first of all, fibers are obtained and then they are converted together to form yarn. They are converted to yarn. For this, we have to draw out the fiber and twist the fiber together to form thicker and stronger thread. And this thicker and stronger and longer thread is called yarn. And this process is called spinning. Now, what is spinning? When fibers are twisted together into long threads called yarn, this process is called spinning. Right? Now, after spinning, what happens? Now, spinning is done in two ways. First of all, spinning is done in small scale by charkha. You must have heard about Gandhiji, that Gandhiji make his clothes with by spinning themselves the yarn. He used charkha to make their clothes, and spinning is also done on large scale. So spinning is done in two types. First of all, small scale spinning like charkha, and large scale spinning में बड़ी बड़ी machines होती हैं and automatically spinning होती है, and fiber is converted into yarn. And spinning is what? The conversion of fiber into yarn. Now, after preparing yarns, we can dye it, or maybe if it is required, or maybe we can use it as it is. Undyed yarn को भी हम use कर सकते हैं. So after preparing yarn, we can dye it, and then after dyeing the yarn are wound on reels called bobbins. Can you see here? Now first of all, yarn is made. Now yarn is woven on bobbins. Wounded on bobbins, not woven, wounded. Yarn are wound on reels, which reels are called bobbins. Now next step is weaving. एक बार yarn बन गया तो let us see weaving क्या होती है. See students, what happens in weaving? A line of thread. Here I have taken two colored thread. Maybe this is red color thread and this is white color thread. A line of thread is woven and laid lengthwise. एक line of thread को हम lengthwise छोड़ देते हैं. Another thread is placed crosswise above and below this thread. Now these are two types of thread. Same thread भी हो सकते हैं. To make the concept easy, I have taken two colored threads. Now what happens? A line of thread is woven lengthwise and a line of thread is woven. Another thread is placed crosswise above and below the thread. Now, the crosswise thread is attached to a shuttle called shuttle, which moves the thread forward and backward. Now, see in this diagram, what happens? First of all, a line of thread is woven lengthwise. Can you see this? Red and blue. Mainly take two types of threads. Red and blue thread are placed lengthwise, and then this green thread, this is placed crosswise. The lengthwise thread is called wap and the crosswise thread is called weft. After that, the crosswise thread is attached to a shuttle. See this man here. First of all, a line of thread is woven lengthwise and crosswise thread that is attached to a shuttle. A person is moving the shuttle. This person is moving the shuttle here. With that shuttle moves the thread forward and backward over the lengthwise thread. In this way, cloth is made. So students, cloth made from hand spun yarn, it is also called khadi cloth. I have already told you that Mahatma Gandhi wore only khadi cloth woven from the yarn that he had made himself spun on a charkha. Now weaving is done in two ways. First of all, weaving can be done by handlooms. Handlooms means hand operated machines. Here weaving is done by handlooms, and weaving is also done by power looms when big machines do the weaving. In this way, cloth is made. We can obtain the clothes in this way. Means weaving is done in two ways. We can weave the cloth by hands. Earlier, you people used to weave the cloth by themselves, but nowadays there are power looms which are operated by power. Electricity से चलती हैं, and cloth is made. Because now cloth is made on a big scale. Now that's all for today. I hope you must have understood how cloth is formed. Now that's all for today. To get notification of such videos, kindly like, share and subscribe.